Hi guys! Welcome to Quantum Coder. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Java Development Kit, or JDK, on your Windows computer. By the end of this video, you'll have everything set up to start coding in Java. Feel free to speed up the video if you're already familiar with this process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for JDK Download. Click the link from Oracle. You'll see different versions of the Java Development Kit available for Linux, Mac, and Windows. I will choose the latest JDK version for Windows. I recommend downloading the .exe file as it's the easiest to install. Click the .exe file to start the download. Once the download is finished, close your web browser and go to your Downloads folder. Find the JDK file you downloaded and double-click it. Click Yes to allow the installation, then click Next and Next again. Finally, click Close. The JDK is now installed on your device. To verify the installation, open the command prompt. You can do this by pressing the Windows logo key and R in the same time, then typing CMD and hitting Enter. Alternatively, you can search for Command Prompt in the Start menu. In the command prompt, type javac and press Enter. If you see a screen like this, your JDK is installed correctly. If not, don't worry, we'll set the path manually. If the previous command didn't work, we'll need to set the path manually. Navigate to the JDK installation folder. See Program Files, Java, JDK version, bin. Here you see javac is available. Right-click the address bar at the top and select Copy Address as Text. Next, go to your desktop and right-click on this PC, then select Properties. Click Advanced System Settings, then Environment Variables. Find the path variable under System Variables and click Edit. Click New and paste the copied path, then click OK. After setting the path, open Command Prompt again and type javac. Press Enter, and you can see now the javac is working. Alright guys, today I talked about how to install JDK on Windows and set the path for the Java compiler. In the next videos, we'll start coding with Java. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I've also included the JDK download link in the description. For more interesting content on coding and technology, subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. Thanks for watching.